What do you think, Detective Smith?
I think we should talk with Michael Wright. Maybe he's the person we are looking for. Let's call his house. I'll call him right now.
No one answered?
No. It rang, but no one picked up.
Shall we try his mobile?
Okay, I'll call his mobile.
Did it ring?
No. His phone must be off.
That seems suspicious.
Yes, it is strange.
Should we go to his house to talk to him?
Yes. Do you want to come?
Definitely, let's go.
Let's go.
This is the address of Michael Wright, Doctor in Art History, Specialist in British Art.
How weird, right? He doesn't answer the phone, there's no one home, and his mobile is turned off.
Yes, it is strange. I've asked my colleagues to try and find out the location of his mobile phone.
They can do that?
Yes, if the GPS has been used recently, they can locate the phone. They've found it. They say that the mobile phone was detected in Newcastle a few hours ago.
Newcastle? That's 5 hours away. What is he doing there?
I think I know what he might be doing there.
What?
There is a big art festival that begins today in Newcastle. Art collectors visit from all around the world.
So that means?
That means that if he has the Turner drawings, he can sell them there. Okay. The next step is to travel to Newcastle. We have to prevent the drawings from being sold on the black market.
Also, there is a ferry port in Newcastle.
So if he manages to sell the works, he can get a ferry to Holland and leave the country.
Exactly. We have to leave as soon as possible. I understand if you prefer to stay here and enjoy your holiday.
Are you joking, Detective Smith? We wouldn't miss this for the world.
Ha ha ha. Okay, get in the car then, because we're leaving right now.
This plan is crazy.
If you want to stay, I get it.
No, of course not. This is a crazy plan that I want to be part of.
Okay then, say no more.
How are we going to find this man among all these people?
I have a photo of him. My colleagues at the police station sent it to me. Look.
He's an older man. He must be around 60.
62, according to the report they sent me.
He has long, gray hair and wears glasses with a gold frame.
That helps. It won't be very difficult to find him.
We can split up. Natalie, you go right. Alice, you go left. I'll go down the center.
Perfect.
Let's go. Alice, I saw him. He is carrying a briefcase. I think he went that way.
Did you see anything?
Yes, Natalie said she saw him go that way. He is carrying a briefcase.
Perfect, let's go that way.
Look, there he is.
I don't see him. Where is he?
He's the man in the purple suit.
There he is, going up the staircase.
I see him. How do we stop him?
Alice, you go up that staircase. I'll go up this one. Natalie, you stay here in case he comes back down.
Okay.
A banana?
What's that? A banana?
Who are you? What do you want? Yes, it's my snack. What's the problem?
I'm sorry, Mr. Wright. I'm Detective Smith. We've come from London. Can we talk to you?
Yes, of course. Is something wrong?
That's what we're trying to find out.
What's going on?
We have been trying to get in touch with you since this morning. We went to your house and called your phone, but there was no answer.
Well, no. I'm clearly not at home. I'm here on holiday. And my mobile battery ran out a few hours ago. Is there a problem with that?
No, of course not. Can you tell us if you know a man called Robert Green?
Yes, I know Robert Green. He's not a close friend, but I know who he is. He's that man who sells stolen objects in his shop in Camden Market, right? Has something happened to him?
Have you spoken with him recently?
No. I haven't spoken to him in more than a year. Why?
He didn't call you last Saturday to ask you to go to his shop and see original Turner drawings.
Ha ha ha. Of course not. If I knew there were original Turner drawings in Camden Market, I wouldn't be here in Newcastle. I'd be in Camden Market.
He said he called you to talk about the authenticity of the drawings.
Absolutely not. He never called. But he made the call in front of us. Well, that liar must have faked it. I haven't received any calls.
It seems that Robert Green hasn't made any calls.
Really?
They have confirmed it at the police station in London. They traced his mobile phone records, and it turns out that he didn't make any calls that day.
That's precisely what I told you. I haven't received any calls.
How long have you known Robert Green?
I have known him for a few years. I would go to his shop in Camden Market sometimes to see the antiques.
But you are not friends?
No, definitely not. He's just a man I would occasionally buy things from. But, as I said, I haven't spoken to him in over a year.
Why?
Well, to be honest, I don't like his business very much.
Why not?
Because he has a lot of stolen objects.
What do you both think?
I think it's obvious that Michael Wright has nothing to do with this. We've been deceived.
We've been tricked by Robert Green. And it's not the first time he's lied to us. He must have known that Michael Wright comes to this arts festival every year. He used it to get us out of the city.
Do you think it's possible to arrest Robert Green, Detective Smith?
We don't have any evidence yet. Even if he has lied, we can't arrest him just for that. We have to catch him red-handed. We have to find the Turner drawings.
But what if he's escaping right now, taking advantage of us being here in Newcastle?
I will call the police station in London and have them watch over him. They will make sure he doesn't escape. If he tries to get away with the drawings, we will arrest him.
Should we go, then?
Let's go.